Love the classic cinnamon sugar flavor of Snickerdoodles? Now you can enjoy it as a soft, fluffy mug cake in just minutes. Quick, cozy, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for any sweet craving. Let's make it. First, in a small bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. This will be our classic Snickerdoodle swirl. Set it aside for later. Now grab a microwave-safe mug and whisk together 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour or oat flour as a healthier alternative. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Give the dry ingredients a good mix so everything is fully blended and uniform. Stir in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure there are no lumps so the cake cooks evenly. The smoother the batter, the fluffier your mug cake will turn out. Sprinkle your cinnamon sugar mixture over the top. Spread it evenly so every bite has that sweet cinnamon flavor, and gently swirl with a spoon or toothpick to create that marbled effect. Microwave on high for 1 minute until the cake is set but still moist. Let's make a quick cream cheese frosting. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon milk, mix until smooth and creamy. Now spread it over your warm Snickerdoodle mug cake. And just look at that creamy, sweet topping melting in. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top. And there you have it. A warm, soft, and cinnamon-swirled Snickerdoodle mug cake topped with creamy frosting. Try this easy Snickerdoodle mug cake and thank me later. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.